Okay, we're recording.
Okay, hi guys. Welcome to the instructions for assignment number 3, which is make a collage with texture rubbings. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do here. You'll need a few pieces of plain white paper or binder paper. Okay, you can use crayons or a pencil. Okay, or a colored pencil if you have colored pencils. But what you're going to do is you're going to take the paper and your pencil or crayon. Look down here, and you're going to take and put it on something that has texture. In this case, I've got a seashell, and I'm just going to rub it with the side of the pencil. Right? Like I said, you can use a crayon as well. I'm using a pencil because it's easier for you guys to see in this video. Right? And you're going to pick several things that have texture. There's a million different things you can find with texture, you guys. I have a seashell here. In fact, I think I'll do a little more on this side because I think it really looks like a cool texture on this seashell. Okay. Then I've got a wireless speaker that has a texture, so I'm going to do like that. There's lots of things. Wood has texture, concrete has texture, tree bark. I mean, around your house and in the immediate vicinity, you can find so many different things. The street, signs, down here is where we're looking at. I have a few objects that I'm doing this with, right? So I'm just getting a few different textures, some different looks. Here's another one. You can see what I'm doing here. I'm making some really interesting, getting some really interesting textures from just things that I have literally right in front of me right here. So I get some really, really cool different looks. Right? So far this is what I have. Right? I'm going to do one more texture rubbing. This time I'm going to use coins. And we didn't talk about this in class yet, but coins and some sculptures that have a really low relief are called bas relief, B-A-S, bas relief. So the coins would be considered bas relief. So just really rubbing over them. Texture rubbings are something that are done by artists a lot. You can use chalk, you can use crayons, you can use graphite, which is a pencil. And so once you get some different, try to get at least 6 different textures, then you're going to use scissors and cut them up, right, into different shapes, or you can tear it up. So you can tear different shapes out, right? And then you're going to create a design on a separate piece of paper using the shapes that you've cut out. So maybe I'd like to have this and arrange them in different ways. Have fun with this. This should be kind of a fun experiment. And you should be able to find a couple of different ways you can do that. You can glue them down, or once you've made your design and you're happy with it, take a picture of it and send it to me, whether you glue it down or not. If you don't have access to glue, I understand a lot of people are just stuck inside. But this is what we're going to end up with, is a type of a collage. Now, I'm going to show you really quick a couple of, let's see if I can do this without too much hassle. A couple of types of collage that I found just to give you a little bit of a reference here. So let me just get into my computer. And we'll give you a couple of quick ideas as to what what collage might look like when you're, whoa, shoot, as I drop my phone, sorry. Let's take a quick look here. So there's a couple different ones that I just found online. So there's a collage by Henry Matisse. And let's see, the other one I just saw was a blue nude, and this is another real famous one by Henry Matisse. It's a collage. So you can do an abstract, or you can do something that actually makes a design. It doesn't matter whether you use color or use graphite. Use your imagination and have some fun with this. This is a really Let me see, we'll find another one here that's kind of different. There we go. So there's another collage. So that you can do so many different things with this. And the idea is I want you to get some different texture and just have some fun with it, okay? It's a real fun medium, and this is a fun project. So when you're done with it, you take a photo of it and you email it to me at psullivan@hartnell.edu. Thanks, you guys, and we'll talk soon.